Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, May 31, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? I'm so tired today.
Yeah, me too. Got a busy day with clients.
Same here. Lots of project updates to handle.
Let's take 5 minutes to chill. What's new with you?
Not much. Just saw some interesting news this morning.
Oh yeah, what did you see?
Well, first there's something about international politics. Some countries are making a big trade deal.
Nice. More trade means more sales for me.
True. It could open new markets for your team.
I hope so. More clients, more money.
It's not just money, it helps build better relations too.
Sure. As long as my sales go up, I'm happy.
Fair enough. It's a big step for global business.
Totally. Hey, any other news?
Yes, there's something on economics and tech. A huge company is launching a new app.
Oh, cool. Is this something for work?
Kind of. It helps manage tasks and time better.
I need that. My schedule is a mess.
Me too. It might save us some stress.
For sure. I'm always late for meetings.
I think it's free to try. Want to check it out?
Yeah, why not? Send me the name later.
Will do. It could be a game changer.
Hope so. My computer is full of sticky notes.
I get it. Tech can really help.
True. Got anything else from the news?
Yes, one more. It's about culture and society.
Oh, what's that? Something fun?
It's about a big music event coming soon. Artists from all over are joining.
Awesome. I love music. Who's playing?
Some big names, it's for a good cause too.
Nice. I might get tickets if I'm not too busy.
It's online as well. You can watch from home.
Even better. No need to leave the couch.
Right. It's nice to see people coming together.
Yeah, we need more of that. Work is too stressful.
I agree. Events like this make life better.
For sure. Hey, speaking of work, how's your project going?
It's okay. Just a lot of deadlines.
I hear you. I've got 3 big calls today.
Wow, that's a lot. Good luck with them.
Thanks. I'll need it to close some deals.
You've got this. Just keep smiling.
Huh? Always do. How about your team?
They're good. We're planning a big meeting soon.
Nice. Hope it goes well.
Thanks. I'm just trying to keep everyone on track.
You're good at that. I'd be lost without a plan.
Thanks. It's all about staying organized.
True. Hey, let's talk more about that trade deal.
Sure, it involves over 10 countries, I think.
Wow, that's huge. My boss will love this.
Yes, it could mean new partners for your sales.
I'm already thinking of new pitches. Gotta move fast.
Smart idea. Timing is everything in business.
Exactly. I'll talk to my team about it today.
Good plan. It's a big opportunity.
Yep. Now tell me more about that app.
Well, it connects to your calendar. It reminds you of tasks.
That's perfect. I forget stuff all the time.
Same here. It also shows how much time you spend.
Oh, I bet I waste hours on emails.
Probably, this app might help us focus.
I'm downloading it as soon as I'm back at my desk.
Cool. Let me know if it works for you.
Will do. I need all the help I can get.
Don't we all? Tech is a lifesaver sometimes.
Totally. Now about that music event, where is it?
It's in a big city. But like I said, it's online too.
Great. I'll watch it after work with a snack.
Sounds fun. It's nice to relax with music.
Yeah, I need a break. Work is nonstop.
I feel you. Music always cheers me up.
Same. Hey, I might even dance a little.
Go for it. Send me a video if you do.
No way. I'm a terrible dancer.
Okay, I won't ask. Just enjoy it.
I will. Hey, coffee's almost done. Back to work soon.
Yep, got a busy morning ahead.
Me too. Let's catch up later if we can.
For sure. Maybe at lunch?
Sounds good. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good day.
You too. Let's get through this day.
Yes. Good luck with your calls.
Thanks. Good luck with your meeting plans.
Appreciate it. Take care.
You too. See you around.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.